In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a club in Strava app. If you're looking to bring people together around a shared sport or local community, creating a club in Strava is a great way to organize group activities, share updates, and build motivation. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can get your club set up in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on the latest version for the smoothest experience. On the bottom navigation bar, tap on Groups. This is where Strava gathers features for community and connections. Inside Groups, tap on Clubs. Here you'll see existing clubs and a button to start your own. Tap Create a Club. First, choose your club's sport. Pick the activity that best matches what your group will focus on, like running, cycling, or another sport available in the list. Don't worry if your group is versatile. Choose the primary sport that represents your main purpose, then tap Next. Now, describe your club with tags. You can select up to 3 tags that help people understand what your club is about. Think of tags as quick labels such as location-based, beginner-friendly, competitive, social, or trail-focused. Choose tags that truly reflect your vibe so the right athletes can find you, then tap Next. It's time to customize. Upload a recognizable photo or logo so your club stands out in feeds and searches. Add a clear, memorable club name that's easy to identify. Then write a short description explaining who the club is for, what you do, how often you meet, or any guidelines members should know. Keep it welcoming and specific. When you're happy with how it looks, tap. Next, choose your club's privacy setting. Public clubs are discoverable and open for anyone to request to join. They're great for broad communities and local groups. Private clubs give you more control over who gets in and what's visible from the outside, which can be useful for teams, workplaces, or smaller circles. Pick the option that fits how you want to manage your community, then tap. Next, add your club's location. This helps nearby athletes find you and makes your club more relevant to local activities. Enter the city or region that best represents where you gather or operate. Finally, tap Create Club. That's it. Your club is live with your photo, name, description, tags, and settings in place, ready for your community to connect.